Hello all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Peace. Yeah, I'd like to say hello to all the people in Brennan Lake, Nanaimo Correctional Facility. I'm doing weekends there. So long story short, I had warrants from 23 years ago, waved up here to BC. I was convicted, 14 days doing weekends in Brennan Lake. Nanaimo Regional Correctional Facility here in BC, Vancouver Island. So again, peace to all there, and I'm just wishing you were all able to medicate. I'm doing my 420. Here's some bud here that I make my honey oil with. I'm hoping we can see it pretty clearly. Yeah, so I do my dab every time anytime I can. This is my honey oil. I make it myself. Again, happy 420 all. I'm going to have my 420 dab here with my water pipe. Yeah, I got a nice ounce here. I'll be able to make some more honey oil. Beautiful sunny day here, Vancouver Island. No jacket needed. Call it Hawaii of Canada. Happy 420 y'all. And that's why you see me replying cough cough all the time. Been coughing ever since I Alright, happy 420. Peace all. Yeah.